everything you need to know about how to do a standing bird dog. I have no clue why they call it this, but we're gonna rock with it. So with this exercise, it's gonna be great for my ladies out there who struggle with back strength. If you struggle with a weak back or a sensitive back, this movement is for you. If you struggle working your abs and you know you can't get on the floor because it hurts your body, this exercise is for you too. This is great for learning how to balance, for coordination, and it's also great for working the muscles that we use, especially when you're sitting, our postural muscles. These are muscles that are keeping our chest and shoulders rolled back and helping us walk with confidence. So let's target these muscles today in this movement. We're going to start this exercise with our feet together. This exercise, like I said before, takes coordination. We're going to be moving one arm with the opposite leg. So let's do this together. We're going to start with our left arm coming up and have our right leg going back. I did say opposite, right? So left arm, right leg. Before we initiate that movement, let's talk about our muscles that are affected and are targeted in this movement. As we're doing this exercise, we're targeting our waist, our hips, and our back. Before you start, you want to lock in your feet to the floor. Have a soft bend at your knee, stacking your joints on top of one another. So I'm performing a straight line. My neck is neutral or my head is neutral. My hips are not here, they're underneath me, and I have a slight bend at my knee. At that point, or at this point, I want to tuck. What is the tuck? It's just bring your hips underneath you. I call this the Michael Jackson, all right? It's like a hip thrust. So we're tucking and squeezing. At this point, we want to start the extension phase with our arm and our leg. So we're extending out and up. See that? You don't have to balance this long, but I want just to show you the form. Notice how straight I'm trying to get that back leg, okay? And you're welcome to point your toe towards your knee. Look how straight I'm trying to get my arm, right? And I'm keeping that tension in my glutes. With me holding this movement, I have a lot of tension in my hips. You're not gonna hold it that long, but you're gonna stay on that same side, reaching and resting. Reaching and resting. You can even feel free to keep your movements long like this to make it easier. So I'm still keeping that tension in my abs, still keeping my hips tucked underneath me, which is very tough. But as you get better, you'll be able to maintain that movement. So that is how you turn on the muscles of the core without having to get on the floor. So I'll see you on our next video. See you soon.